In this video, I'll show you how to receive USDT into your Phantom wallet. First, open your Phantom wallet. Once you are in, then scroll down until you find your Solana SOL address. Solana can actually receive USDT, so that's what we're going to use. Tap on Solana, and then tap on Receive option. Here you'll see your Solana wallet address. Just tap Copy. This will be the address you'll use to receive USDT. Now, head over to the wallet or exchange where your USDT is stored. In my example, I'm my OKX wallet. And make sure you have selected USDT. Now click on Withdraw, and then click on Withdraw Crypto at the bottom. And then click on the Exchanges option. And then from there, scroll down and tap on Solana. And here, in the address field, paste the Solana address that you just copied. And then here, enter the amount you want to transfer. Once the address and amount are correct, simply tap on Submit at the bottom of the screen to confirm the transaction. The USDT will then be sent directly to your Phantom wallet under your Solana account. And that's it. You've successfully received USDT in your Phantom wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.